In this video, I will show you how to claim Avios points in Qatar Airways. Go to the Qatar Airways website and log into your Privilege Club account. Once signed in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Under Privilege Club, click the Collect tab, then click on Claim Missing Avios. Scroll down to see the options available for claiming Avios. You can claim Avios for flights with Qatar Airways, flights with partner airlines. Select the option that matches your trip. Choose the membership name if you have more than one on your account. Enter your ticket number. Click Retrieve Flight. If your flight details are valid, your Avios will be credited automatically. Now scroll down to see a list of eligible partner airlines. If you flew with one of them, click Claim More on Partners. Fill out the form with your service area, sub-area classification, account details, ticket document, or proof of travel. Submit the request. The Avios will be added after verification. Now, head back to your Privilege Club dashboard. Your updated Avios balance will be displayed there. That's it. In this way, you can claim Avios points in Qatar Airways. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.